I love the songs of the apostles. It says the God who dwelleth in flesh was seen by me. Now this man, he did not come with the song, not having doubted before. It means he doubted God before. He says, now the God who dwells in flesh, as it was revealed even unto me. It was not easy. Now here they say something. It says, they are steadfast in the doctrines of the apostles. They are not easy, for they make you to do things under normal circumstances you would not allow. You would not allow it. Now the doctrines of the apostle, they make you do things you cannot accept. Now you see yourself as separated from God, and you don't even feel yourself in this church. And now the question is, what makes you not to feel this change? Is it God who changed, or is it you who changed the direction? I want you to test yourself. That's the faith you had in 2000. Is it still the same? And now the question is, what has changed? Has God changed? The Bible says he was yesterday, he is today, he is in times to come. He is in one position. I love when the singer sings. He says, Father, my he says, you are stand still. Even things will change, but you stand still. We have one problem, is that people, when things change, they change form with him. But he stands still. That is why, when there are serpents in Egypt, God says something. He says, even the snakes are precious. But look at the big snake. Look out to the one who doesn't change, to the one who doesn't move, to the one who is standing still. He does not change. He does not change form. The problems come. The problems come. And the problems come. So the problems will always come. The problems, these tribulations in life, they will always be there. Let me tell you this. There is no blessing that doesn't have its own devil. No matter how big the blessing is, your